Of my own adage I want to share with you, which I follow in letter and spirit. Stop preaching, start doing. The world will be less by one scoundrel, at least you. So the point is that I want to live up to that. My life philosophy in me and my wife, I've been enjoy life every moment. Enjoy means by helping others. That's why we do that. So I'll give a nutshell about Arigant Towers. There are 1,700 plants inside. There are 10 temples of 10 faiths. You can come and see. The worships are, prayers are going on Sunday, all the people come. So I don't want to say much about it because I know you are going to come. The beautiful adage is, don't curse darkness, light a candle. So Coimbatore is rated as one of the 3 top polluted places of Chennai. The other 2 places are Keelpark, T Nagar and Coimbatore. But my flat was studied by Pollution Control Board and Anna University. They said there is no pollution inside. I have plants everywhere except my bedroom. You know why? Bedroom, night the plants release carbon dioxide. But Tulasi, that's why they call it divine. In 24 hours releases oxygen. So this is about my flat. And I've been doing researching in my life. My life mission has been motivating. And Mr. Malachami sir knows IOB Thanambet Nationalist Bank, how we motivated staff. Then I started motivating the rowdies. I mean, motivating means making them to become better. Okay. And then what is next? Then I thought, why not I try plants? Somebody gave me plants. I was so happy to receive it when I saw it's plastic, synthetic, made in China. I never buy anything made in China. And I was wondering why they should give this plastic plant. I remembered about G.D. Naidu, what I read when I was a very young person. G.D. Naidu had 2 plantain totems, gardens. One, it was growing well. When people asked, he said, go and see at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock I had this plantains were listening to Nadaswara Kacheri. And people, they concluded he's a mad person. And he was not mad, he was thinking ahead of all of us. So this is my life. So, and we follow letter and spirit. I'm 73. Even at 83, 93, I'll be talking like this. Because you said about motivation. You can see S.N. Balasubramaniam is a very highly qualified person, Nagasundaram. Your motivation, anytime I had nosedive, never. It will never have. You are also, today, it will never do that. My only, sad I feel was, first person to do this terrace sky farming in Giriyappa Road was me, way back in 92. Somebody came to my flat, they said, oh, you are also doing like Jyotika. But what I understood, if film artists do, you are noticed, otherwise you don't know, you are not noticed. I'm happy, at least she told about it. Most of the films, they smoke and they take liquor. I think let us appreciate Jyotika, okay? Okay. So, be sure, wherever this idea is used, there won't be mosquito. And incidentally, I want to tell you, to inform all the people, I evolved myself such an extent, I don't kill any living species, including mosquito. I don't kill mosquito, but there won't be mosquito. You will yourself, I'm not going to just explain. About my house, heavenly home, the time is less. I will say just a brief thing about our family. Our family was the richest in the old Chengalpattu district. It's a combined district of Kanjipuram and Thiruvallur. We owned 550 acres of land, which included lands in Virugambakam, Valachavakkam, Mohapir, Kovur, Kundrattur and all. My grandfather, the L&T land, Manapakam, 20 acres belonged to my grandfather. My grandfather gave 50 acres to my dad. My dad gave me 15 lakhs debts. Okay. My grandfather had horse races, father went into the film line. Don't blame them. You see Nirmal because of them. Okay. I would not have been born. I would have been dead long ago. With all the wealth, wrong people coming to me, I would have. Okay, they did a great favor. At the time, my mother said, a Jewish proverb says, God cannot be there everywhere. This way created mother. My God, as my mother said, still I have some sense of pride. Can you find that we move into our own house? He said, Mom, Dad has given me 15, try. I asked IOB, they gave 45,000 rupees loan in 1971. Further, I could get a house in a slum area, Giriyappa Road. I want to tell you, I became a Buddha there. Whatever innovation you see in me, they say necessity is mother of invention. I became an innovator. And Giriyappa Road, in Kundrattur House, when we had the great days, Pulshi Talaivar was there, Nadigat Tilakam, Amma. Even before I entered film, my father was the one who took her photo, published in Pesambadam. He was editor of Pesambadam. And Tyagaraja Bhagavad, all of them came. Kamaraja, we donated land for a school, hospital, 5 temples, they are all constructed by family. But from there, I came to the other end. In Giriyappa Road, the visitors included thugs, bootleggers. Even you can see the prostitutes standing, lining up on the end of the street near Pandibal. So, it was totally changed. So, one of the utmost slogan I want to share with you, because you all done, achieved. It's not I am trying to teach you. Setback is a setup for a comeback. So, if at all you should welcome something in life, setbacks. So, as IAS officer, you will go like this, you will come down. It's all very natural. So, that's all, you should not worry. I know some IAS officers who had setback, they write books, start writing books, but they have a setback. So, everything is for good, everything is for good. So, our life philosophy has been enjoy life every moment by doing good to everybody. This is a message for me. In Giriyappa Road, the people visited include American Ambassador to India, V.V. Giri, almost all ministers. Kamal Haasan celebrated one of his birthday in my house. I could reverse it. What I am trying to say, let us not lose hope on anything. This is the heavenly home. The house totally covered by plants. And I told you about Giriyappa Road. With that, I will go to this must quito. I think this very important message I am giving you today, that day in, day out, we are all fighting in the name of caste, religion, and whatnot, language. I am the one who don't subscribe to that. I can never say the Brahmin or is a scheduled caste, I cannot say. Because according to me, nobody applies and born in a community. Recently, I went to ISKCON. At the time I asked them, Govardhan Hill, what is Govardhan Hill? They said Govardhan Hill is nothing but Lord Krishna took a hill in his little finger and made an umbrella. It was a big motivation for me. I thought whatever I do the rest of my life is like a small finger, I lift it and do that. So in this, I called Mr. Thol Thirumavalavan. I called Dr. Krishna. Thol Thirumavalavan already came, he spent half a day with me. A wrong seed has been sown. Subconscious is the first one. Remember that. Okay, second, all of you know that. Second is the water in your body. This was founded by Masaru Emoto. He said, human being made of 71% water. Water has feeling. Water has feeling. He told that he put water in the refrigerator. He said, thank you, water. Then he had a microscope fitted the camera. I saw the water. They all formed beautiful crystals. He said, stupid water. They didn't form. He proved it. That's why we never say, when the rain comes, Sani Mucha Mada, I should never say that. Okay? Rain has feeling. Okay, third one is my own research. I am part of Ramakrishna. So for me, he told, I studied as a clerk, but I became the national best manager in the country. It's all the way you think. I got award from VP Singh. The point is, how we think we become. It's all told in Bible. All religions say the same thing. So the important aspect, our thoughts shape our life. Thoughts shape our life. And the final one is the body cells. Can we all say, I think who is there? The senior IAS officers. இப்படி கை வச்சுங்க, வாழ்க வளமுடன் சொல். நல்லா அதாவது யூ ஹேவ் டு ஃபீல் அண்ட் சே. சொல்லுங்க. ஆமாம், அது வந்து இஃப் யூஆர் வாழ்க வளமுடன் இருந்தீங்கன்னா யூ நோ ஹவு டு சே தட். சப்போஸ் வாழ்க வளமுடன்னா அதுனா, நவ் எனி ஒன் ஆஃப் யூ, திஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் மெசேஜ், ஐ டேக் 7 Sense course, I share one message for you to share with your family, how me and my wife enjoy life. You know, you can take anybody's cell. I can take my Sampath's cell, one cell, and by cloning we can create another Sampath. Cloning, when it's become a reality, they cloned tigers and all. Human beings, when Italian doctor says, claims he has done it, we don't know about it. That means the cell, your body has trillions of cells. The cells have eyes, ears, heart, everything. When you say, Varga Valamudan, what happens? I may not listen. Your cells are listening. Nasama po. Suppose you say that. Who is listening? So I am convincing you, never ever have. Okay, this is called endoform. This is, you know, the fourth one. This is all one day class. I told in bullet point. The fourth what is endoform? When you laugh, not the laugh, the park you all doing, aha, not that laugh. When you very natural laugh, enjoy and laugh, what happens? The endoform is released. It releases all the toxicants in your body. Okay, and so I convinced you in a very short period. You all very elders, you have been guiding forces. I don't need to teach you. But we should enjoy. We never ever have ill will or hate. When Mr. Thol Thirumavalavan came, I told this concept that cells are listening. I told there are two nations, Valarada Nadugal, Valanda Nadugal. Valarada Nadu Sabam, Valarum Nadugal, they changed as Valarum Nadugal. I told him, Thatha Patel, okay, good, but don't keep on saying Nanga Thatha Patel. You are passing a certificate yourself. Cells are listening. What should we do? I told all those things. You know. வேடிக்கையாக சொல்கிறதுனா, you will all enjoy this. Shivaji, MGR, both of them wanted to be CM. Only MGR became CM. Shivaji, unfortunate thing was a very great actor. So, what happened, they gave him roles like that. உதாரணத்துக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எம்ஜிஆர் பண்ணார், நெஞ்சம் உண்டு நேரம் உண்டு ஓடு ராஜா. சிவாஜி பாடினார், சட்டி சுட்டதடா கை விட்டதடா, நல்ல நல்ல பிள்ளைகளை நம்பி நாடே இருக்குது தம்பி. எம்ஜிஆர் பண்ணார். சிவாஜி என்ன சொன்னார், ஏன் பிறந்தாய் மகனே பண்ணார். புதிய வானம் புதிய பூமினார், எங்கே நிம்மதி. இதை விட ப்ரூஃப் வேணாம். அவரால் பேசவே முடியல. எம்ஜிஆர் சிஎம் வந்தார். டிவி ஆன்டினா மாற்றினா டிவி ஆன்டினை மாற்றிட்டாங்க. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? I think I'm giving a very powerful message why people listen, because this is a fact. We are shaped by our own thoughts. So good thoughts are necessary. So this is an important thing, how we can do humor. One more thing I want to share with you, that something opposite of this. You know what is the opposite of this? See, when you enjoy, smile, good things are released. But when you suffer, what happens? Suffering is bound to be there. But should you have suffering seeing TV serials? Please tell me kindly. My cook is talking 1 hour with her daughter on the phone. Oh, அவளுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு, this is a problem. I said, who's some TV serial character? She's still worried about it. So I want to say, life has to be enjoyed nicely. This is my message to all of you. I'll go straight to mosquito. You can all, so our slogan has been, waste is not waste until it's wasted. It is not waste management, wealth management. Don't transfer waste, transform waste. There are so many things. To convert wealth into waste, don't convert waste into wealth. What I request all of you, only one promise you give me, the message I'm going to give to mosquito, please tell to one more IAS officer, maybe India, Tamil Nadu, or your batchmate. Go and address one school. I'll share this. You'll go and address school. Because I want to tell you, for Hindus, Muslims are not enemy. For Muslims, Christians are not enemy. For all of us, the enemy is globally climate change, locally mosquitoes. More Hindu, Muslim, Christians die by mosquito bites. You should all remember. I forgot to say, what I told Thirumavalavan, he accepted it. He said, don't say Tata Patavar. You leave alone other communities suppressing you. You should, why not you lift yourself up? Then when the moment I told, he clapped. I said, if you, 10 of his Vidudalai Sirthi came, they all clapped. What I told, I'm going to share with you. I said, don't say Adi Dravidar. Dravidare கிடையாது. தமிழ்நாடு திராவிடன்றோம். Nobody uses the word. Adi means ஆதி உமிழ்ந்த ஞாபகம் வருது. தொல்னா பழசு, நவீன யுகம். பறையர் வேண்டாம். பறையர் சொல்லலாம், தப்பு இல்லை. முதலியாருமே தான் பறையர். பறையர் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் வாசிக்கிறவங்க. நான் படம்லாம் எடுத்திருக்கேன். பார்ப்போற்றும் பறையரும் படம் எடுத்திருக்கேன். நான் சொன்ன உடனே அவர் கை தட்டினார். நீங்கள் நல்லா இருந்தால் நீங்கள் கை தட்டுங்க, இந்த ஜாதிக்கு இதான் பேர் அப்படின்னு. முன் தோன்றிய தமிழர். முன் தோன்றிய தமிழர்னே. We're going to have a big function where I told, come on, what happened? Government is showing a small trophy. They say it's you, for you. You know, you are looking for clerk post, tahsildar, some ordinary post. Brahmins, they are told they can't have even a, the kaka karido mudiyadu. And they became, today the top 12, 10 is the Brahmins. I'm not telling against anybody. What I'm trying to say, reservation, it's like a chain. You are chained by, you should come out of it. My dream, I want to tell you, declare before you, at least make 5,000 people belong to suppressed community as Mudalaligal, okay? I want to make that. So this is my dream. So I think this is all mission. I got a larger mission. I go to that one. So this is about, so mosquito, எப்படி அது அர்ச்சனை பண்ணுறது? Simple and easy as winking, fighting and finishing the common enemy of the humankind, a tiny, minuscule bird called mosquito, a winged monster, flying leech, airborne devil, blood-sucking parasite, iron attack gorilla. மந்திரம் வதற மாதிரி. So what's wrong with us? What I told here, it applies to any scheme of any of us, including your personal thing. What we do wrong things, we don't do right things. We treat symptoms, we don't treat the disease. பையன் நல்லா உடம்பு டல்லாக இருக்காருன்னா டாக்டர்கிட்ட போகிறோம். விஷயம் நல்லா இருக்காருன்னா இஸ் டேக்கிங் ட்ரக். ஓகே, we should understand that. We talk of the consequences, we don't talk of the causes. We do postmortem, we don't prevent deaths. We fight mosquitoes, we don't prevent breeding. அவ்வளோதான். Very simple answer அடங்கிடுச்சு. I'm going to show you this. The English has been my passion, because what happened was, the teachers told, when I told, your English is rubbish, he told me this. And one more teacher said, if I open your brain, you'll have only rock clay. All these things been disproved. You can disprove it. And he was right when he told it, but the stage came. So I am going to show you this very simple. So the problem is not mosquito but a wrong action. We are dealing with mosquitoes of water stagnation. We are talking about consequence. I repeat that. Okay. Then that's why we are fighting a losing battle. Change, battle spelling is wrong. Change your goal. From the goal I am fighting mosquitoes. Goal I am fighting water stagnation. You will have no mosquito diseases. That's how to achieve zero water stagnation and zero mosquito breeding with citizens' participation. The duo is holy book. This book actually. So what I am telling, all of you can download this PowerPoint from the website. You make a presentation. At least make your own computer, your own family members. So the Third World War we declared. 7,250,000 people die due to mosquito, and 30,000 children every day they die, and 300 million people are affected by what you call the common enemy of humankind. So we need to achieve zero mosquito. So what we did, we give some designation. You can also listen, both of you. Okay. What I want to say, okay. Messenger. Today messenger has become so easy. Yahoo Messenger, Gmail Messenger, Facebook Messenger. You are a messenger. Now I declare all of you as messengers. Okay. What is a messenger? Even if you use WhatsApp, you are a messenger. Okay. And then mosquito. So English, I told you, the love for English. Mosquito means, it will come to you now. I'll show you that. Okay. So you can do through WhatsApp alone. You can fight this. So the this is called zero. We are trying to aim zero mosquito bites and zero mosquito diseases, 0 use of repellents and zero health hazards, almost zero cost, zero death, all zero. And I want to tell you, this has all been experimented in some colonies, proved to be success. Your turn to take this today. Okay. So you can see chikungunya, dengue, filariasis, malaria, brain fever, yellow fever, and these are all very famous people. And this it's called Jehovah. He died of malaria. Yash Chopra died on doctor. I got about 80 famous personalities died out of mosquito, and they had a very protected house, but this all happened when they went out. When they went out, it happened. So this, what I am putting it here, this is India, Hindus, this is Pakistani Muslims, this is what you call Filipino Christians, Buddhist of Myanmar. So mosquito doesn't, is very secular. It doesn't see your religion or blood group. So mosquitoes kill 50 times more than wars and civil wars. So this is another photo of mosquito. Dengue, you can see what happens, dengue. Then chikungunya, elephantiasis, you can look at this. So elephantiasis, Nigeria is having highest incidence of divers, because incidence of filariasis is very high in Nigeria. So once a person gets elephantiasis, wife or husband, they divorce them. So elephantiasis, so I told you about it. This encephalitis, all of you about it. I don't need to explain. This is all, you are a very learned audience. Malaria, West Nile virus. Somebody said it's not in India, but you travel, wherever you travel, you have this fever, West Nile, yellow fever. Look at this person high. It's more than horrible than Dracula. So West Nile fever. This all not in our country, fortunately. Okay. So I am going to straight away the options actually. First option, let me stick. So first is bar and block breeding. Bar and block breeding. We can very easily do that. I went to a place, one man was complaining. I told you about this Irayanbu who wrote about me, my incident. But one person said, what corporation is doing? Make it a what's corporation doing? So much of mosquito. Then I said, come with me. In his own house, I found 3 places mosquitoes are breeding. So when you go back, you first check the 3. You know what are the 3 places most common in your house? No. One is your, what you call sump, where the water falls, overhead tank, then septic tank. These 3 places, 50% mosquitoes only come from them. Actually, we have a list of places in your house. So what we do, the moment you go, you become a mosquiteer. This is Alexander Dumas story, 3 mosquitoes, very famous. I added it in detail, that's how I know it. So you go and check whether you are contributing for your mosquito bite. So we call fight the bite, we call it. So this is called bar and block, mosquito prevent. But the word prevent itself has been taken. One prevent I didn't cover, all caps prevent. That is, you are buying all this Odomos, all these things you can prevent. This prevent is a bar and block breeding. Second is vent. So English is a beautiful language, I want to say that. And English, if you master English, the solutions are there in the word itself. most of the problems, for example, sewage usage, waste is chased. For almost everything, every word you can see, noise, noise, nice, voice against noise, like that. English is so good. So, for door shut, dawn and dusk. Mosquitoes are punctual. Today I was not punctual, sorry, because of the traffic and rain. But mosquito is punctual. It comes only morning or evening. The point is, the first point is applicable to all of us. Like an event, we have to, in Coimbatore, many people have plots, empty plots. These plots, they allow water stagnation. The plots, they keep it empty to sell it when the price goes up. That's okay. But why not they keep it proper shape? That's the point. So, and you can always say, Mr. Nirmal, I live next to Coombe River. How can I bar and block breeding? You got the point? So, at that time, you have to do this door shut, dawn and dusk. So, in my house, if you come there, you can see there's a sign. Please keep the door closed. The welcome is only to you, not to mosquitoes. So, we kept a sign and we control the whole house without entry. Like, anjadukku, padukappu, aaradukku. We don't have, very simple. To control mosquito entering room is very simple. If you ask question, I'll tell you about it. And in case you say, I stay in a hostel, I stay in a triplicate house where are 7 families, we can't control the door. Net needed and necessary. So you need net, there's no other go. Okay, the best thing, why Exnora became success, the same garbage, we're throwing it outside and blaming corporation. We organized a tricycle, and we made the man to, this cycle, I went and convinced James Rickshaw, who was manufacturing fish carts. He said, why don't you convert a stash collection cart? He said, why? He said, lorries, lorries were emitting smoke, they can't go into small lanes, and bullock carts, bulls, they were not feeding properly. So my point was, is one of the quotes, I want to share another quote, waste natural resources by using them up, and waste human resources by not using it. இயற்கை கனிவுகளை பயன்படுத்தி வீணாக்குறோம், மனித வளத்தை பயன்படுத்தாது வீணாக்குறோம். எங்கள் வீடு வந்து ஹோம் ஜிம் ஆக்சுவலாக. Many things we do it ourselves. So that's the best way you keep diabetes, BP all away from you is converting a home into a gym. You can see at least 30 examples in my house when you come there, how you use human resources instead of natural resource. So the point is that the same idea, Kumbakonam we are launching next month, man, machine, medicine. That is, we employ one person, that person will be given a machine, you will go and spray that. But only important note of caution to all of you, should use biocide, because most of the problems come to us because of we use these chemical pesticides. This water is then, you look at the word English for everything, prevent, I told you, then prevent event, then vent, then ENT means, what is ENT? Ear, nose, throat, and so you have to find somehow, you have to make the connection. So very easy to remember. T, travel. When you travel, what will you do? I went and, same Kumbakonam, I went and stayed in a hotel. That night, you should imagine, I couldn't sleep even a minute. So now what I do, before even I keep my shaving set, I got mask kit, mosquito mask kit for, this repellents. You carry it. Life is more precious than all these things. You should carry that. When the airport, they ask me, what is this? They are worried about this. So you should carry this, no other go. So the role players, so what we should do, we in an organization, we call it mosquito. Mosquito. That word again English you can see. The spelling has been changed. Thank God the word English, quit. Must quit O. So that's there. Then we have mosquito Exnora, then mosquito messenger, mosquito mosquitoes. This person is called mosquito warrior. So he's given a spray. He does it. Only thing is not allowed to go to individual homes unless he's invited to do that. So people all pay about 30 or 40 rupees per month, and it's worth it. Whatever you spend inside your home, this will be no pollution at all. So you should do that. Life is, I told you again, I don't need to say. People all get convinced easily. So this step by B3, D3, M3, M3. Now I told you the sources. What are the sources within the home? I told you open well, drinking water sump, overhead tank, septic tank, and the drainage inside and outside both. So why I chose this topic for you? Because you have been, as officer, receiving what you call brickbats. You can't do anything unless people participate. This I learned it from Mahatma Gandhi. British had arms, ammunitions, but Gandhiji had people power. Same thing our Thiruvarur Ther. When people all join together, it runs so fast. Unless people participate, nothing can be a success. Whatever the government issues, statement and all, the participation is important. So, in the house you can see the AC tray is there, the mosquito will breed, car tarpaulin, the plant pot trays, roof guttering, abandoned. So, some children, even arrogant, they went in a small notebook, we give the checklist. They go and found, they said, uncle, there is no more mosquito breeding in the house. And I want to tell you, half the homes have school going children, half the homes in any town. If you go to only schools, you cover half the homes. Other half the homes is a matter, it's like what a lighted match to a train of gunpowder. So, you can see that discarded tire, there are 40 things like this. I put very important, almost it covers 90% of mosquito breeding, and mosquito can never be fought, I want to tell you. It will never be fought because once mosquito is created, you have to nip it in the bud. I told you I am not a Jain, but I believe in non-killing. Okay, this belt is Ahimsa belt. You know what is Ahimsa belt? This belt is not made of normal leather. It is made of animal which are dead. From that it is made. I evolved myself. It's no offense to any one of you. Evolved myself. You said saint. I feel something has dawned on me. Some enlightenment has come. Otherwise, for the kind of my background and all, I should have been written off long ago. It should have been written off, but it didn't happen. So now in the street, if you take it, blocked open drainage, choked sewerage, stagnant rainwater in the empty plots, stagnant rainwater. Some of the streets, our members go and really, they push the water, bail out the water. Okay, and then construction sites, and one person, he complained about mosquito, corporation doing nothing. I went to his house. Actually, he is constructing a building in front of his house, very big building. Then I smiled. He said, why you are smiling? I am going to show you the cause. Went to the basement. I threw a small stone. So many. You are happy, sir? You feel that you should have been commissioner when this percentage should have made. And he creates mosquito and then blame the corporation. Come on. Again, the rain and all, I want to say, unless omnipotent comes, nobody can help people. Problem is nature. It's an act of God. You can't do anything. So the point is this. Okay, I want to tell a construction site. Any construction site is there. Can you do that all? Just morning walk, go there and see that. Tell him to bail out the water. Okay, cow shed. Cow shed, I want to tell you basically 100% I am humanitarian. When I moved to Giriyappa Road, somebody came. They said, Nirmal, I have a plan. You can, I'll see that all the slum people are thrown out. I'll also give you some money. I said, I'll never allow it. Because my mother said, when I was young, Kuriyu Kuta Kalagiradu Pavam. It's a sin to disturb. Then what a sin will it be? Disturb humans from their nest. Live and let live. So, they all enjoy my patronage. Because when my mother died, they cried more than me. It's not a misplaced sympathy. I'll tell you something what I did. They were all, again, the beautiful thing, don't curse doctor, light a candle. They were all answering call of nature on the road edge. And one person said, the gene is bad. I said, nothing to do. We are not provided that. Then we created a toilet. Then I realized, the beautiful English word is called empathy. Am I very fast? Is it okay? Empathy. What is empathy? The best English word is empathy. You always look from other man's viewpoint. Don't look. Yeah. See from other man's shoe. But we don't do that. No one of, that's the main problem for all conflicts. So empathy. And I didn't empathize. He said, sir, we are 1,000 of us, you put 6 cubicles. How people 6 cubicles can go inside? Then I don't know, because I didn't have much clout. So I called it Joylet, G-O-Y-L-E-T. See English again, look at English, okay, Joylet. What I did, I kept newspapers, magazines, carom board, chess, to give them a diversion, music and all. The children will not buy my idea. I asked children, why did you go to toilet inside? We are afraid to go inside. Parents are gone to win bread. They give to, again, another spelling change. Except ex-Nora members, can you guess? Another spelling change, the word toilet, toilet, T-O-I-L-E-T. What is it? Okay, it was made as a T-O-I-L-E-T, toilet. A rocking horse, rocking children, all. One good thing, they never answer call of nature on the toy. We had a blackboard where they write, they plan. I want to tell you, everything we say, I tell, you listen, it will never work. Even the ideas yours, see that the idea comes from them. Normally I make it interaction today because of a lot of time. When the idea comes from you, you become the owner. The 3 ownership. First is ownership of thinking. First you should think, I should allow you to think. Then ownership of doing. Second thing, I should not interfere. The third thing, very, very important, which we don't do that, ownership of achievement. A constable catches hold of a militant, commissioner photo will come with that. So ownership of achievement is very bad. We should never, it's a picking packet actually. I think the three things important, I followed it. Okay, really cow shed, I want to say, why I said Giriyappa Road, the roof will get fire. When I was in Hong Kong, I used to be worried, the fire should not catch my house. So anybody's birthday, I say, roof proof. What is roof proof? I say, why don't you donate? If at all see some good idea, give credit to English. Okay, English is, I thank my teacher who said, your English is rubbish. Okay. So I want to say, I want to return him, I accomplished English, I could have accomplished in English. Okay, so the cow shed, see cow shed, we need cow shed. It's not selling Tasmac or liquor, selling milk, we need milk. And you need milk and you cannot say there can't be a milk shed. So what we did, we give a code of conduct, I can share with you. And this has been accepted by many cattle owners. Again, it's participation. Actually, you should give a proper gully connection, proper flooring and mesh and all. And some cattle shed owners could not do. We asked other residents who were affected, why don't you all contribute? Because it's a recurring problem for you. So this happened and it's a very big problem for us, these lakes and these last two things, only thing I do is D3, dawn, dusk, door shut. Keep the door shut, dawn and dusk, must be very punctual. And then again, other sources is well. Now we're going to solution. So you can put your lead. So I am trying level best. Mr. Malachami can help me. I am trying to get both corporation and this Women Development Corporation together. I am not able to get them. So you can do it, sir. I am really thankful. Because, we are giving only idea. We are not giving anything. What has been happening, people say when you put your overhead cover, they say we are willing to do, who will do that? And women, most of the women, what they do? They get loan and they lend it. They are doing ultani, kanduvadi. Instead, why not we make them entrepreneur? This fly ash, you can make a sheet. They can charge every house. They can do that. So the first is can cover the well. It's called fish called kombucha. It predates on only what you call mosquito. You can see this all the you can have a lid. We have to fix it. We should never give advice. If you give advice, you have to go and fix it. And everything is available. The role players are available. The government, SHG groups will be the best persons can do that. Okay, this is one of our idea. We won award. This is called gutter, street gutter, open gutter, a ditch. So we developed an idea called gutter guard. Gutter guard. If you do that, no solid object will fall into it. Okay, and you can always have a bamboo with a small metal sheet. You can scoop it once in a week, but nothing will fall. So what happens? Again, our mistake. Let me tell you again our mistake. And very often we blame the government. This has a particular function of carrying either rainwater or sewage. But we put, or servant maid puts garbage there. So it's blocked and mosquitoes come. And again empty plots. So one idea again I want Mr. Malachami's help. What I told corporation, in Arrogant Towers, we added a construction, modification. So much of debris coming. This debris, I asked him, what do you do, this contractor? He said, I go and the night time I go, begin the electricity board, Combe River bank, we off-road it. We abandon it, that's what he said. But I thought, oh my God, in Coimbatore itself, there are hundreds of low-lying plots. Why not corporation, division engineer, introduce a register, who has debris, who want debris. Matching and marrying, that's all. You like the idea? See, this Americans say, KISS, keep it simple, stupid. So all are simple ideas, you can do that. So one is you can bail out the water, you can put debris. And we are all one-way traffic. In Exnora, we call it OWT. OWT means you want only all government to give, other person should help. You will never do anything. Like that, we keep on sucking water. Do you ever think that we should bore? Actually, in Exnora, Kekanagar, they put bores in the street level. The rainwater comes, it goes to water table straight. So recharging that. So there are so many ways you can, the road, you can bail out, again use debris, you construct stormwater drainage. The only advice I will give you, stormwater drainage is not a good idea. Because I find, because the contractors do, whatever they do, even the surface is not good. When they do beneath, you can't see that. There is no gradient. The water stagnates. Unless you are able to, like a defense colony, the ex-servicemen all supervise the work. You should supervise the work. Unless supervise the work, sound range will be flop actually. So it's very inhuman. I am also part of the team who filed a case in the High Court on Mr. Narayanan and all of us. Americans send human to Nila and we are sending to gutters. ஒரு பட்ட சாராயம் பை வாங்கி கொடுத்துட்டு இறக்குறோம். Do you think it's very bad on our part? I think Narasimha Rao appreciate பண்ண. He only said, should not carry human waste by another human. But I feel very horrified. And one person, one lady, Rajalakshmi, I tell her name, she'll cry, Anna, she calls me Anna. They belong to a community called Toti community, Adi Andhra. And she'll call, I'll go, you won't believe, in Giriyappa Road. Husband, because he does this job, he gets so drunk, he will beat everybody. Actually, we went and stopped it. But ultimately, we reformed him. It's a different matter. But the point is, when so much advancement, computer age, should we send a human to do this work? Are we human? Are we not inhuman in forcing? I think I'm giving you so many missions. Take one mission and do that. Now the mission is mosquito. That's all. And because mosquitoes, now rain has come. Rain will go. But what will come? Swam. Mosquito swam. Okay. I told you about all the roles. Okay. Then, so mosquitoes, I'm giving an explanation. So already we have this in Trichy. I got a lot of good news. Pope, His Holiness Pope, he told the Christians world over, his bishops, that reduce your gospel about Bible. Talk about climate change. Actually, another time you call me, I'll talk about climate change. This idea has been approved by USA. Change climate change. Okay. Now, Trichy, first ever conference going to happen in Trichy. I'm going on 5th to Trichy to address all the Christian priests and school heads of Trichy. So, this mosquitoes. So, this all again mosquito. Debris is useful waste. It's not useless waste. So, I'm giving examples. Anyway, again the vent I told you, it's called, so the point is ABC. I'm not teaching ABC. Chennai is cursed with ABC. Pachaipa's founder, Pachaipa Mudaliyar, morning. Shall I talk in Tamil? It's okay. Tamil na Thai mudi. Pachaipan Kalluri யாரு Pachaipa Mudaliyar வந்து காலைல முதல் வேலை பண்ணது கூவ நதிக்கு போய் குளிக்கிறது தான். இப்போ கூவ நதிக்கு கிட்ட போனால் நீங்கள் குளிக்கணும். யாராவது கெட்ட ஃபவுல் வாசம் பேசினா கூவம் வாயை திறக்காதேன்னு ஒரு இடியம் ஆகிடுது. ஸோ இது பக்கத்தில் தானே பண்ணுறது ஏபிசி. அப்போ தான் இந்த டோர் ஷட் டான் அண்ட் டஸ்க்கு. See, நான் அல்டிமேட் ஐடியா என்ன தெரியுங்களா? யூ கேன் live safely, that's all. This is my message, that's all. And mosquito happened to be dawn and dusk, I told you. So this is what you call, they maintain punctuality. Door with a door closer. So we spend so much. Why not we have the one door alone, operational, main door, put a door control, spring, it close automatically. You don't need even to remind people. Simple thing. We don't do simple thing. Then, we go to Apollo Hospital and pay through nose. And, there is a church actually, as per advice, we found out, we give advice. Like doctors giving advice. Engala kosu varudhu ullo. Seal paniyachi. So this is a hearty welcome to you. Please close the door the moment you enter. Welcome only to you. Not, we keep that. So what are the entry doors, In my house, I sealed all the places. But then suddenly, still I found mosquito. I found this exhaust pipe, the bathroom. So mosquitoes entering. So we put a net there. Very simple. Is it not a science of landing on Mars or Moon? It's simple thing. And with all our common sense, we can do it. We don't need even air. So it's all the windows, the exhaust fan. And I told you, finally, I live in a hostel. What will you do? So why I put ENT? Somehow I have to link it for you to remember. ENT means ear, nose, throat and all other parts of the body. So it will all be bitten, net needed, necessary. So you can see how people were bitten by mosquito. And don't think there are no mosquitoes in America. Everywhere mosquitoes are there. Mosquito survive. And people are how they are bitten by mosquito, you are seeing it. Look at the man's lips there. It's swollen because of mosquito bite. And mosquito is very deadly. Okay. So east or west, net is the best. So this man in a office is wearing a mosquito net. Poor people. Imagine poor people. I went to Coombe Bank. Their body is covered not by a bed sheet, by blanket, by mosquitoes. Sir, come on. I feel life is only, the best words I like in the whole Tamil song. மண் குடிசை வாசம் என்றால் தென்றல் வர மறுத்திடுமா, மாலை நிலா ஏழை என்றால் வெளிச்சம் தர மறுத்திடுமா, உனக்காக ஒன்று எனக்காக ஒன்று ஒருபோதும் தேவன் கொடுக்கவில்லை, கொடுத்ததெல்லாம் கொடுத்தான். இது வந்து வாலி, வி ஷுட் அப்ரிஷியேட் ஹிம். வாட் கால் மார்க்ஸ் தாஸ் கேபிட்டல் ஒரு புக் இது வந்து 5 வரியில் அடக்கிட்டார். அதாவது அடக்கிட்டார். எல்லாரும் லைஃப் இஸ் why not we enjoy life? You know what's the point? If you allow hate to occupy your mind without rent, it affects your body, your biology, your physiology. Body chemistry gets altered. But how to get rid of hate? This time is not sufficient. I have to complete my talk now. So when you go out, I told you, go guided and guarded. You must have something knowledge. Suppose you go to some place foreign, you want to know the hotel, like that you know whether it's a mosquito. Suppose you go to some place, now you go to Beijing, you must take -2 degrees centigrade. You have to carry heavy dress. Like that, you should know about mosquito profile of that place. You should know the mosquito profile and go. That's what I am telling you. Okay, door out, and this all I call it mask kit. What is mask kit? You can carry temporarily, though I told there are many of them harmful, you can carry temporarily. I think this mosquito alert. So a man made a house covered by a net, actually, very extreme cases. So these are very dangerous. So I want to talk about these Nochi plants, Neelavembu. Nochi plants, say if you keep it, you know what I am trying to say, Exnora is fighting hard to, people to develop the green, go green and all. But this all you can do that. But what I told you is the practical thing. But these plants can drive Nochi plants. Neelavembu is good, medicine for person's mosquito bite. Okay, so what you have to do, this within a week I'll share with, only thing I give you a small form, give your contact address, I'll send you, those of you who came here, I'll send you some of the PPT. Not only this, I'll give you about 24 things, heavenly hope, how you make your street. If you look at the word street, the first and last letter is, make them small. Tree is there. Even the word street has tree. Whether your road has tree, it's for you to do that. Okay. We have some service bearers. We don't call them office bearers. So these are service bearers. You can see the directors. And I'm not going. So that it's all needed. One person to messenger. This is all very easy. People say it is a WhatsApp page. They will not do. I said use the same WhatsApp. People are busy with WhatsApp. Same WhatsApp can be used to communicate some good message. Why don't you do that? And I told you, community warrior, I told it. So you can hold meetings, and these are the but if you take mosquito as an excuse and start, other things all can be taken by this organization. Membership events, demonstration, research planning and all. This all I explained you. So what happens, we should not allow the mosquitoes weekly, they go on a inspection. They should not go inside the house, in the house. Because even, we don't know about the person who is going to inspect whether he is a good person. So, generally forbidden. People declare, and you catch hold of some young person there, child, you please certify there is no mosquito, the source for mosquito breeding inside your house. You can do that. So, some kit is needed. Again, the word English you can see, mosquito. So, this what you call designs. So, and again tell you the Facebook age, I really pity Thiruvallur. My only I want to compete with Thiruvallur and Vallalar. Because without all this internet, email, Facebook, they did great thing. With all that, what I am doing? I feel bad about myself. He wrote on palm leaf. Thiruvallur palm leaf எழுதிட்டார் திருக்குறளை. நீ வேர்டு அடித்தாலே தப்புன்னு அதை காட்டிடுது. இல்லைன்னா வீட்டு அமிச்சா நீ கரெக்ட் மறுசாமி சார் அமிச்சு கரெக்ட் பண்ணி அமிச்சிடுவார். என்ன பெரிய விஷயம் நம்ம என்ன, what is it we do? That's all I want to say. I will conclude with my talk shortly. So WhatsApp, very good. And then this download. Can you all make me an assurance? You will make presentation one school. Can you do that? One school or one college, wherever you are connected with, you go and make presentation. You can make short films. And then what you call learn other things. Okay, actually now the final climax. Okay sir, all Nirmal as usual telling what we should do. What about the government? They will keep quiet, you can ask them. So, we need 2 hands clap. Actually, the catch in my whole idea is, you won't be killing even larva because you're not going to allow mosquito breeding. So, there are two things, people spotting, responsible governance. One idea, இன்னைக்கு வந்து இது அரங்கேற்றம் for mosquito. Should all be very proud about it. It's going to be, because so many African nations are badly affected by mosquito. It's a very universal application, we have taken it. So, I want to tell that we have evolved called E3. E3. I want people like you, sir. E3 means evaluate, embrace or eject. We give you a form, your elected councillor, MLA, MP, we give to every resident to evaluate him. Evaluate him, we give 5 important aspects. If he is good, embrace him means hug him, eject him means reject him. Okay, you can do that. You don't need to do, you just tell your MLA, councillor, call him today and tell him, I am going to do E3. I am going to evaluate, embrace or eject. If you tell him, he will be out. So, how to make them do that? So, government responsibility is there. So, we give 2 things. One is called community pleasure and community pressure. So, community pleasure itself 99% will be solved. There are so many tools, I am not going in detail. 99% will be solved. So, the community pressure is fight smarter, not harder. So, this is all about, I think now I should leave. If you have any questions to answer that. I think I come to the end part of it.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and click the bell icon to get regular updates from our channel. In case you have missed any videos, please visit the channel page by clicking the channel icon.